I'm driving across Canada. Driving out west to Alberta, right in between Edmonton and Calgary, and it's in a town called Rocky Mountain House. What I'm going to be doing is working on a horse ranch there. And I got this position through a program called HelpX. What they do is pair people with small businesses, hostels, farms, ranches with people who want to help out, and the whole exchange is that the helpers help for a couple hours a day in exchange for accommodation and sometimes food. For a week I was in the Alps in Slovenia helping out with this family, and I was outside, worked like 3 or 4 hours a day, and then the rest of the day I had to myself, and I got a place to stay for a week for free, which is amazing. And I didn't end up spending a dime. They provided me with food as well. So it's a really great way of traveling for cheap. These guys actually contacted me. They saw my profile, sent me a message asking if I'd be willing to help out this summer. And I said, yeah, sure, I don't have anything else going on, so that sounds like an amazing opportunity. I decided I'm gonna take a week and drive out, and then I'll have my truck there so I can explore the areas on my days off. So I'm really excited for the summer. Once I get there, this drive is gonna be very long. Healthy trees to our left, and all dead trees on our right. I just saw a sign off the highway for Canada's longest suspension bridge, so I'm gonna go check that out. That was definitely worth the 8-kilometer detour. Cost 20 bucks, which kind of sucked, but I got the drone up, which was nice, and got some cool shots. I drove another 770 kilometers today, but calling it now just outside of Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. And I'm gonna be sleeping in my truck tonight. So I'm gonna be staying here, just on the side of the road tonight, and then start my hike tomorrow morning. See ya. Just got back to my truck after doing the hike. It's a 22-kilometer round trip hike, but really there's only one section where it's pretty difficult, about a kilometer long, that's basically straight up, just zigzagging to the top. I'm officially out of Ontario.